Hey guys, it's Jennifer with GlamLipChick.com, and today I did a full face tutorial using SeneGence products only, and I'm super excited that you came to the channel. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. I actually have on the new limited edition color in Sweetheart Pink. This color is fantastic for spring, fantastic for summer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be starting with our pore minimizer. This is the product called Silk. Silk is such an amazing product. It works to minimize the fine lines and pores on your face, and it smells so amazing. Remember when putting this product on to put it on in a downward motion. Next I'm going in with our ShadowSense product, and ShadowSense is amazing, and you can watch those dark circles disappear. And I love this as a concealer. It's a multifunctional product, eyeshadow and concealer. So I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out, and you can see what amazing coverage this product is giving me. So I'm going to finish this up, and then we are going to move on to the next step. The next step, I'm taking our MakeSense Foundation. I use the color Cream Beige, and it just takes one pump of this product because it is a full coverage product. And since I used Candlelight as a concealer, I don't need a lot of product. And I'm using just a kabuki brush to blend that out. The next product I'm using again is ShadowSense, and I'm using the color Mocha Java. This is the only product that I use in my eyebrows because it is waterproof, budge proof, and smudge proof, and I love the look that it gives me in my eyebrows. It's such a natural look, and I can use the applicator from the tube to put it on, and I don't have to do a lot of extraness. Is that a word? Extraness? Anyway, I'm just going to fill in the brows, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so brows are done, foundation is done. I'm going to start on my eyes. Again, using ShadowSense. This is the ShadowSense color Whisper Pink. And I just put that right underneath my brows just to lift and highlight my brows. And it opens up my eyes, and I just blend that out with my finger. Now I'm taking the color Pink Frost, and I'm applying it on my lower lids only. And I'm going to be using my fingertips to blend this out. And I love using my fingertips because it gives me the exact coverage that I want. Now I'm going to be using the color Garnet, and I'm just applying a little bit to the corner of my eye, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be doing circular motions. This is a light eye look, and one of the things that I love about ShadowSense is that you can build on it. So if you want darker corners, you can definitely darken the corners more. Also, don't worry about going outside the lines with your ShadowSense. It's definitely something that's easy to clean up. You have 60 to 90 seconds to work with the product, and then it's going to set from cream to powder. You don't have to worry about it flaking off. There's no fallout. It's absolutely amazing. So once that's done, I'm going to be using the ShadowSense color Onyx, and I'm going to line my eyes with this product. I have super sensitive eyes, so this product is amazing. I just line the top of my eyes using the wand, I do tight line my eyes. Okay, so I need a sip here. And so now that my eyes are lined, I'm going to be using our LashSense. It's our mascara that we carry, and it's absolutely amazing. It gives your lashes a very defined look. They're not chunky. Again, this product doesn't flake off. It's waterproof. I can go to my fitness classes. I can do whatever in this, and my eye makeup and face makeup, for that matter, is not going to go anywhere. So with this mascara, I do 3 thin layers, and it gives my lashes the look I'm going for. Next up, I'm using our powder, and this is the color Silver Rose. So Silver Rose powder, and I do put quite a bit on in the beginning, but I do blend it out using a fluffy brush. And I take the product under my chin and up onto my forehead, and it gives me what I call a faux tour. So it contours my face without doing a lot of extra work, and I love that it does not go anywhere as well, and it just gives your face a great glow. It comes in another color called Bronze Dust. So this is pink and bronze is more brown. So now I'm taking my fan brush, and I'm going to be using our Pearlizer product. And Pearlizer basically is a glow or highlight in a bottle. And I'm doing 4 small, tiny pumps, more like a quarter pump. And I'm placing that on my cheekbones and my nose. And I'm just going to blend that out. And I like using this fan brush because it's very light, and it gives me what I'm looking for with my highlight. And I'm doing my Cupid's bow. It's such a natural look. I love Pearlizer. So now I'm using our new limited release LipSense color in the color Sweetheart Pink. Anytime you put on LipSense, make sure you clean and dry your lips before applying, and you're going to do 3 thin layers of the product going in one direction. Make sure it's dry between layers, and then once you're done with your 3 layers of LipSense, it's guaranteed to stay 4 to 18 hours without going anywhere. It's transfer proof, budge proof, smudge proof. Absolutely amazing. So always make sure that you are doing very thin layers, or your product could chunk or flake off. And then I'm going to be glossing today with the color Rose Gloss. And so once your gloss is on, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for future videos. See you soon.